Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And guys, thank you so much for the love that you're giving me on my videos. I'm really very thankful. As you all are aware that I have recently uploaded my Arangetram Bharatnatyam dance performance video, and I know that you guys have given so much love. Thank you so much for loving those videos. I did my first Arangetram when I was around 12 years old and it's been so long. It's almost been so long. And when I was 12 years old, I never thought that I would do Arangetram, which is a stage performance. I had to do 8 different dance acts all alone for constant 3 hours. And at the age of 12, we don't have so much of maturity. We don't understand what is happening with us. Why do we have to do it? But we still did it. So yeah, I today when I'm looking back at my videos, I'm just stunned and shocked and surprised and happy and proud about myself that I could pull that thing off at that very young age. And guys, I just did not find the videos. I also found out my first photo shoot that I had done for my Arangetram. Yes, and this is the photo shoot card that I had printed. Not I, obviously my parents had printed for my Bharatnatyam and my Arangetram ceremony. So yes, I had done my photo shoot for my Arangetram. So as you guys know, Arangetram is the first dance performance for a Bharatnatyam dancer. So yeah, for that we had to do a photo shoot because we had to invite people for my show. And in the tradition format, we had to do a photo shoot for printing cards and everything. So I'm going to show you guys that. So stay tuned. So this is my, card, as you can rightly see, and inside this this is the invitation card which was taken, and these poses that you can see right here, this was the part of the photo shoot, and this is how the card opens. And the details about my dance programs are written, what items I'm performing, and yeah, these are also very cute poses and the entire details. This is details about my Guruji, how long he has been teaching. And not just that, once you turn the card around, you can see more details. And yeah, it's very nostalgic. I really loved this. And yeah, I'm gonna just read some parts and bits of it. So yeah, I think here this is my favorite part because it's written about me, Madhumita. So here it's written, Madhumita is a bright student of Standard 7 of SM Shetty School, and she has started learning her Bharatnatyam from her Guru Tainanand Pillai at a very early age of 4. It has been a long journey since then. She has already bagged her senior diploma in Bharatnatyam with distinction. Apart from Bharatnatyam, she is a very good elocutionist and has already won many awards in district level and national level competitions. So yeah, this was something about me. And I also wanted to read out the program, like the dance acts that I had performed. So yeah, the first dance act that I had performed was Ganesh Kautukam. Okay, so Ganesh Kautukam means it is the blessings of Lord Ganesha. That is how we began our program, and that is the first act that we do. The second item that I did was Alari Poo. The artist seeks the blessings and good wishes of the deities. It's a symmetrical composition, commences with gestures of prayer, Anjali. Alari Poo means flowering. The third act that I did was Jati Swara, a pure dance in which rhythmic syllables are set to musical notations. Okay, the next act I did was Shabdam. Shabdam, I think, was one of my favorite acts. Shabdam is a form of gesture song concentrating more on abhinaya or acting. So yeah, and this is just 4 acts. Okay, imagine, guys, imagine you are listening to the dance act. Every dance act used to be of 10 minutes long. You all must have been tired just by listening to it. Imagine 12-year-old girl dancing on those dance acts. dancing in front of 200 to 300 people, non-stop solo dance, okay? Solo dance. So you're getting tired just by listening, and I have like literally danced for it. So, you know, for me, it was damn crazy. Okay, so continuing, not breaking, continuing it. So we have finished the fourth dance act. Fifth dance act. Varnam. Fifth dance act was Varnam. What is Varnam? The versatility of dances is best revealed by Varnam dance act. It's an elegant blend of nritya and natya. The song is lament of maiden yearning for the company of her beloved. She confides in a sympathetic friend and charms and begs her to bring the love of her life to her. Next item name is Natanam Adinar, a description of the divine and cosmic dance of Lord Nataraja, who dances his Ananda Tandav in golden stage of Chidambaram. Seventh act is Padam. In this item, while dancing, Lord Krishna's wife described about Lord Kartika's relationship with some other girl. She says the girl might say anything, but ultimately it's Lord Kartika's fault that in spite of having his wife, he's having friendship with another girl. The last act is called Tilana. Tilana is a very fast-paced, pure nritya, pieces that blends footwork with lively movement and portrays the beauty of sculpture and poses. So yes, this was all my 8 acts starting from Ganesh Kautukam, Alaripu, Jatiswaram, Shabdam, Varnam, Natnam, Adinar, Padam, and the last Tilana dance act. So all these acts are live on my YouTube channel. I know some of y'all have already seen my video, but obviously there would be people who might not have gotten so much of time to watch all the dance video. Please go right now and check those videos out. And yes, I'm going to definitely see you again next time. But yeah, this is what I wanted to tell y'all, and I wanted to also share with y'all. Thank you for such lovely comments on my dance video. I mean, it is emotional and I'm very happy because, you know, I never expected this. Like, after so many years, this would be a fresh memory, because when, as a child, when I was performing it, I was under a lot of stress because obviously I had school homework, I had exams, I had so many other things, and you know, that time it was very tough, but I'm so happy and so grateful that I got the opportunity. And I definitely, with all my heart and genuinity and honesty, I would love to thank my father and my mother, because I think they both did such a fantastic job in, you know, organizing this entire event, Arangetram, Madhumita's first Bharatnatyam dance performance. And I'm stressing this so much because it was not easy, guys. You know, it is, I mean, I can't explain this. It's absolutely not easy. Obviously, we all have our own set of things, issues, problems, whatever, but definitely it was not easy. My father, my mother, everybody worked very hard, especially my father. I mean, the kind of arrangements he had to make this dance show a success was commendable. And I'm always grateful to him to I'm always grateful to him because he obviously gave me this opportunity to perform in front of the audience and, you know, do something like that, which is so grateful. So yeah, thank you so much, Babai, for doing that for me. It really means a lot to me, and today I understand the value so much more, obviously, you know, and even my mother, I mean, she was also so much there, and my mother has always motivated me to work on my skills, to practice dance every day, no matter what. My father always ensured that, you know, everything during the performance goes smoothly, there is no issues. I mean, the best of the best things that was possible was made sure was there. And yeah, the best sound system, everything, you know, the best auditorium, everything was arranged so that whoever is coming to watch my show has a pleasant stay, has a pleasant dinner, has a pleasant experience in watching, experiencing the music, lights, everything. So he took care of all of that, and so that I could independently work on my skills and work on the dance acts that I was doing. So yeah, I know it's a bit long, but you know, for me, it's not just a 1 minute thing, right? For me, it's been months of practice. And don't you forget, I as Bharatanatyam is the first dance act, like I've been dancing Bharatanatyam since the age of 4. So for me it was such a great deal, because from the age of 4 I never thought I would have to do a stage performance or something like that. But still, you know, at that time it was a culmination of everything that came together. So yeah, I'm a bit emotional about that. But yeah, so this is it. This is finally it. So if you haven't watched the Dance Arangetram, please go and watch the Dance Arangetram. The videos are gonna be linked in my description, or you can find them here. So yeah, and until then, take care of your family, mom, dad, everyone, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye, toodles.